Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I really wanted to talk to you about this gorgeous messenger bag, this satchel, iPad bag, whatever you want to call it, from Komal leather. It is so beautiful. You don't believe me? Let me show you. This gorgeous bag is made from full grain leather and lined with a beautiful durable canvas, and each one's handcrafted. So that means that each one is a unique bag. So they make the perfect gift for anybody. I love how the locks are hidden under the adjustable straps, which is another bonus to this. The adjustable straps for the front flap and then also for the shoulder. It even has a really nice padding for your adjustable shoulder strap. And with all these adjustable straps and two ways to wear it, it's even perfect for the little guys. So your messenger bags don't have to be massive. As you can see, this fits the 10-inch just as well as these small iPad minis. It's the perfect size. It fits all sorts of stuff. It's gorgeous quality, and it's good for grown-ups as well as kids. You're gonna love it as much as I do, but that's my point of view.